Aquarius. Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions, embracing innovation, and cultivating a peaceful lifestyle, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey toward creativity, connection, and lasting fulfillment. This period brings dynamic energy for growth and introspection. Dear Aquarius, with Uranus, your ruling planet, continuing its innovative influence, you'll feel inspired to think outside the box and embrace change. Mercury retrograde may challenge communication at times, but it also invites you to reflect deeply and refine your ideas. Trust your visionary spirit. It will guide you toward a meaningful progress and peace of mind. Career and finances. In your career, expect breakthroughs around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with inventive energies. You'll feel driven to tackle projects that align with your unique talents or push boundaries in exciting ways. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to double-check details before finalizing plans. Precision ensures success. Financially, focus on practical investments rather than impulsive spending. Smart planning now can lead to lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships thrive during this time, especially around May 7th when Venus amplifies harmony and connection. Single Aquarians may meet someone who shares their love for intellectual conversations and unconventional ideas. For those in partnerships, prioritize open communication and shared experiences. They strengthen emotional bonds. Surround yourself with people who appreciate your authenticity. They're essential for maintaining inner peace. Health and well-being. May invites you to prioritize self-care and nurture your well-being. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and mindfulness. Avoid overcommitting yourself. Set boundaries to protect your energy. Incorporate calming practices like yoga, journaling, or spending time in nature. By honoring your needs, you create space for clarity and resilience. True peace begins within. Personal growth and spirituality. The second week of May encourages reflection and personal growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past goals or unresolved feelings. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to heal and gain new perspectives. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Embrace your vision. Aquarius, these 2 weeks are all about using your natural creativity and independence to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay curious, stay true to yourself, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.